Okay, now, if you are asked to find the number of seconds that are in one day, pay very good attention. It's a very important area. Okay, now listen. If you look at this now, this scenario, you see that 60 seconds give us 1 minute. 60 seconds give us what? 1 minute. But the number of seconds in 1 hour is what we don't know. But just note that since 60 seconds can give us 1 minute, and 1 minute can give us 60 minutes can give us 1 hour. It means, look at this, look guys. Now 60 seconds make 1 minute, but 60 minutes make 1 hour. Now look at this. If 60 seconds will give us 1 minute, how many seconds do you think they are? How many seconds do you think are there in 60 minutes? It means that each minute like this, just each minute, like 1 minute like this, is already 60 seconds. Which means 2 minutes like this will be 120 seconds, right? Which means 3 minutes like this will now add another 60 seconds to make it 280 seconds. Which means as you are going, which means 2 minutes will be 2 times 60 seconds. 3 minutes is 3 times 60 seconds, which means 60 minutes will be 60 times 60 seconds. Is that clear, guys? Which means 60 minutes will be 60 times 60 seconds, which means 60 minutes will be equal to 60 times 60 seconds. Is that clear now? So if this is the case, that is 60 minutes is giving us 60 times 60 seconds. It means since 60 minutes is 1 hour, then wherever you see 60 minutes, you can equate it with what? 60 times 60 seconds, because we want to see the number of seconds in one day, which is 24 hours. We want to convert second to hour. I mean, we want to convert hour to second or second to hour. Just follow this step, okay? So I hope this makes sense. All right, okay. Now, having seen this, okay, we have that 60 times 60 seconds, which is what? 60 times 60 seconds is equivalent or is equal to 60 minutes. And 60 minutes gives us what? 1 hour. Is that clear now? In one day, we have 24 hours, which means we don't know the number of seconds yet that will give us that 24 hours. That means X seconds will give us 24 hours. Is that clear now? Then do cross multiplication, so that you have X second times 1 hour will be X second times 1 hour equal to now 60 times 60 seconds, which is that 60 minutes, right? That gives us 1 hour. 60 times 60 seconds times, which is this cross multiplication now. This times is this one, okay? 24 hours. And let me just tell you, even if you want to just bring this now to a single, you see that 0 and 0, 0, 0. You see 6 times 6 is 36, right? That is 36, which is 3,600 seconds makes 1 hour. 3,600 seconds make 1 hour. That's it. And if you want to just compound it, okay? Now you see, times 24 hours. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x second is 1 hour, right? All over 1 hour. All over 1 hour. So let this hour cancel this hour. And let this cancel this. We'll have x second and then 60 times 60 seconds times 24. Okay? Now, in this case, you have equal to. You have equal to. Now, 0, 0, which is 0, 0. Then 6 times 6 is 36. Okay? 36, that means 3,600 seconds times 24. Okay? That is 24. Then, okay. Still write this 0, 0 here. You have, which is equal to 0, 0 second. Okay? Then you now have 36 and 24. Okay? Just 36 then 24 times. So that you have 4 times 6. You know, I'm not using calculator. You can use calculator to press it. 4 times 6 will give you 24, right? You write 4 carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Then you have 2 times 6, 12. You write 2 carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you have 4. You have 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1 plus 7 is 8. That is 864. You now write your 800 and 64. 864. Is that clear? That's the number of seconds. That is combining this. Now you have 86,400 seconds. 86,400 seconds. Okay? That is your x. Therefore, in one day, which is 24 hours, we have 86,400 seconds, and that's your answer. Okay? So if you want to convert this now back to hour, it's still follow that my initial method. Simple. Okay? There's nothing else. Just that one we used to convert a minute to second and from second to minute. Follow that first step and you can still convert this back to hour. That's it. Okay. That's good.